Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making slime.
Hey guys!
So I just have a bowl of each.
Oh no!
Let's take our this shaving tool there, so you guys can see what the heck we're doing.
Alright, so I just use all
Alright,
this.
so yeah, let's come on camera, come closer. Let's do this. Jack, you undo the lid.
Is it this whole container?
Mom, what does that look like?
You gotta put the whole thing in, Jack.
Mom, what does that look
You
like?
that.
undo the lid too.
Mom, my one looks like a pan, like a saucepan. Cool.
Oh, look at that. Smell it.
Okay. It says 60 Aussies. Are you sure?
Everyone does it.
Putting the whole thing in?
It doesn't matter really. You don't have to measure it out.
Hey?
You don't have to measure it out. It's just like,
Oh, really?
yeah,
Alright, that's all I think I can
Just a guideline, eh?
yeah,
Okay.
These balls are a little too small.
it's fine.
Oh, careful where you don't shake it.
You got to put the food coloring in next though.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
Can't wait. See what it looks like. Alright.
There's the lid.
And then put food colouring in?
I'm going to make purple.
Then make purple.
What color are you making, Jack?
I want to make green or yellow.
If you want to make lime green, you put a bit of yellow in it.
Yeah, it shows on the back like how many of what.
Alright, careful. Are you going to open it up? Did you open it? Okay, hang on.
Okay.
Why can't your friend teach us how to edit?
Alright, so go blue, red,
Okay, put it like that. Oh, look at that.
and then yellow.
Jack, careful what you're doing with it though.
Alright, so
Yeah.
I need 3 drops of red and 1 drop
Yeah.
of blue.
I need a few
Small
drops,
drops.
of green
Careful.
and a few drops of yellow.
Alright. Show me, please.
Hey, can I call it
Lime
yellow?
green, you need 3 drops of yellow and 1 drop of green.
So what lime green?
Aqua. Okay. Oh,
I'm doing aqua.
So what is
What's orchard?
how many?
Orchard is like
for lime
a
green?
orange. I'm pretty sure. I
How
think
many
it's
for
like a
lime green?
nice like light orange. I'm
One
pretty
green,
sure.
3 yellow.
How do you make pink? then?
Auntie,
I put in 2 green.
Auntie, can you please
Can't
tell
make
me?
pink, can you?
I'm putting
No.
purple.
But if you put like a tiny bit of
How
red,
did I make
maybe.
pink last time. Oh, I had actual pink.
Yeah.
Oh.
Maybe put like not even a whole drop of red.
Okay, I'm gonna make aqua. Or
Same.
blue.
I need 1 more.
And now what do I do?
Now mix it with your spoon. Mix it well.
With
Yeah, I'm
my
gonna make-
spoon or with my...
So 5.
Well, that looks pretty already.
So 4 that.
Oh, look, that's already kind of pinky, but
4.
imagine I make a gouge.
And then
Should I leave my slime like that,
2
guys?
green.
No.
Look at Jack's.
That looks really. It actually looks yum. It looks like icing.
Look at mine. Mine's like pinky purple.
Kids, don't eat glue. It isn't edible.
Alright, mine purple I think is mine.
That looks so cool.
1 part blue.
Alright, so we got mine's purple. His is
If you want to make it a darker purple, add a bit of more, like another drop of blue. Or if you want to keep it the lavender.
Light lavender one.
That's cool. I like that colour.
Use all light colours. Of you.
Hey, do you know what I like when like you
That's
like
a
when
nice
it,
colour.
you know what I like when glue gets all over you and then you can peel it off and it
Oh,
feels
it's
so
satisfying.
nice.
Yeah.
Alright, so now it's time for this.
Wait. Georgia, let Auntie help though. Like pour the right amount.
Wait, they have 3 glues. So I think we need less because we've had 1 glue.
No.
I kind of wanted a bit
And guys,
darker
we got
though.
and after
You gotta do the no. You gotta do shaving cream now.
Do it
Huh?
again?
If you want it darker, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. And then what is it?
I think it's like 2 green.
I'm scared for this, guys.
Don't add too much though, because you need
I'll
it.
do a little bit at first.
Wow, that looks so cool.
Oh well, it just found
Did
out.
you mix it in? Do you mix it in?
Yeah. So it makes it fluffy.
So you put that
And
next
then
to
it
you.
goes lighter, so you might need to add.
What are you doing, Jack? Adding red?
Look at that. That's nice, eh?
Yeah.
I added 2 parts red.
Jack's?
Oh my god! I thought you were gonna make lime green, Jack.
This is.
No, it's not lime. You didn't stick to the colour. You're supposed to do 3 yellow, 1 green. And if you want to make it
Yeah, put more.
brighter, you do it again. 3 yellow, 1 green.
I'm like the one that's mostly full.
Right, try and
This
do
is
it
like a
again.
teal.
3. 1 green. Alright, go. Mix it in.
Close the lid, otherwise if it spills it'll
Yes,
stain.
exactly. I reckon you should put more green.
It was
looks
lime,
like poo,
It was
baby
lime
poo.
green before, but then when he
Yeah.
added red, it didn't go lime.
Hey, Mum,
Of course it doesn't go lime green.
tell them a
because-
story of me when Angel or me pooped all over
Oh my
the wall.
god, yes. It was like a shotgun at your bum.
Look at mine.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, George's, yours looks really... Look how fluffy hers looks.
That looks cool.
Yeah, just add the
Right,
shape.
shaving
Should,
cream.
should we add
Yeah.
shaving cream?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just don't put in too much though.
That's good. Jack.
Yeah.
It's like the amount I put into mine.
I want to make one without the shaving cream.
Okay, it'll be just normal slime and not fluffy though.
Yeah? Alright.
I'll make it fluffy so it's like
Like that?
Yeah. Don't matter how much.
mine. Put a little bit extra fluffy.
Now it's gonna make it like sort of lighter because the white, but it still look nice.
I like it. It's really
I wish we could take photos of it, like while we're doing it, so it
Yeah.
shows different parts.
I'll try and mix it all in.
Once you think yours is at a good consistency, then you can add the activator.
Sam, please.
I'm going to make it a bit clearer.
Sam.
Look, it's coming off the side.
Yeah. This is so cool, guys. By the way, I've never made slime before. This is
Neither.
the First time.
First time making
Alright,
slime.
so
Hands up if this is your first time making slime. Jack, is this yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone's.
Right, so Mum, watch this. It's gonna go like.
Okay, not
so
too much,
it's
that's
really
good.
small, And then it.
Alright.
I want mine to be super fluffy.
Yeah. Oh, gosh. Alright. Putting the activator in now.
It smells good.
Sometimes you just want to eat like
gotta mix it
something,
all
but like
the way.
it's not edible.
Look at mine. It's going so thick now. Mixing it one last time before adding the.
That looks so good. I think that's enough, Jack.
Okay. Should I go now?
I want 1 green in there.
I'm not sure how much to do. You tell me. You guide me. Like, we're gonna shake it first. As well.
Does it? Don't shake it. No, you don't shake it.
Okay. Tell me when to stop, Jordan.
Just put a little bit at a
Alright,
time.
so you just gotta measure it up to that line.
That first line. Just stop it, like. Let Auntie do it.
For you?
Yeah, Auntie can pour the stuff.
The bowls aren't big enough.
No,
Go
they
with that.
will. See, they.
Ready?
It comes
It's
together.
starting to form. It's so lovely. I think you added too much.
No,
No.
no, you keep mixing it. You got to
You
mix
keep
it
mixing
heaps. Georgia, don't mix it too much fast though.
Should I get my hand?
Not yet.
Well, it feels kind of weird.
Don't put your.
Don't put it on your clothes and don't wipe it on anything. No, Jack, what are you doing?
It was too late.
Don't wipe it on that. Wipe it on the floor if you're going to wipe it on anything, Jack. Come on.
Maybe go get some paper towel, John.
Yeah.
Take the viewers
Lucky
and
it's
get
on
mine.
that because it can wash off.
Can I have the activator now? Look at that,
Yep.
guys. Look at that. And if you need to add more
How much is left?
Enough for you.
Okay. It's all coming together. So cool.
Oh my god. Yes. Look at that. Mine's a bit more. I think I should add a. I think probably left over. Right?
No.
Oh, look at that. Get the last of it out.
Yeah.
Still just let it run.
Here's my glue.
Yours is inside.
Oh.
Is it still in your bag?
No.
Where is
Oh,
it?
it's on the table.
Alright, well, am I finished now, Mum?
Keep mixing till like all goes together.
What forms the salami? Okay, my spoon is.
Getting creative.
Look at that. Mine's a little too watery.
When does it like?
I don't know. I think you might have to add more activator.
With
Really?
Your hands.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a little bit more shaving cream, maybe.
My one smells kind of weird.
No, I'm fine with that.
My one's getting really
We should
thick.
try with the hands soon because everyone uses their hands when they make theirs to get it all textured out and get it all in one bowl and start mixing it.
You think my one's
Should we
ready?
start with the hands?
I don't think it's gonna work. It's something that's not right.
No, Mum, don't say that.
It's something, yeah.
That's be disappointing.
Just add more activator. It's
Comment down
okay.
below
I
if
can
you
do
think
mine
this
another
is
time.
Wrong. I think it's too much.
Oh my god, non-toxic!
Oh, mine's actually starting to form.
You think mine's starting to
Is
fall?
it starting to blow bubbles? Is it starting
Put your
to-
finger in it and see if it comes. Your finger comes out. See, George's is. Wait, let me see your finger. Mm.
It's too watery. It's too watery. Too much.
Do you reckon it still is?
It's a bit too much.
You gotta do more activator.
Do you reckon? Is that what they say on there? Is that what they say on there?
I think so.
Do they say if it's not like if it's still a bit like that, you gotta
Mine's
add more
starting to do
activator?
bubbles. I think mine's nearly ready because it's starting to do bubbles.
My one's starting to get lots of bubbles.
Can't we just go back to Woolworths? Someone drive
Yeah.
to the car back to Woolworths.
It's so much fun actually, eh? Getting that cute on eh?
Yeah, see now it's.
Look at mine. It's actually starting to form. I think.
That's actually better now,
Yeah, I
isn't
told
it?
you. More activator.
Can I
More
have some
activator.
more?
Yeah, I
haven't
think
got-
so.
We'll just go drive to the shops, Jordan,
No.
if we end up using it. Because like the people that can drive you there.
There's heaps in there. There's enough for another batch.
Okay.
Whoa, that's actually really better.
Jack, I think you need more activator.
Yeah, I think we need more activator, yeah?
See, he's bubbling. There's bubbles
Auntie,
like.
look. Look at mine, Auntie. Look at mine. It's so fluffy.
Yeah.
Put your finger in it.
Yes. It's starting to form.
Now start using your hands.
Really?
Yeah, you use your hands a lot.
If you put your finger in it, it doesn't come out really messy, then you should be able to use your hand.
Alright, that part that was on the spoon
Still.
was really wet. Just that part that was on the spoon was insanely wet.
Do you think I need more shaving cream in mine?
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
I put a lot in mine, so that's probably why mine looks different to yours. Oh, look at that!
Can I feel the shaving cream?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Look at that,
This is so
Auntie.
cool.
Alright, I'm starting to go in with the hands. Yep.
Yeah, look, George's is pretty much ready for her hands.
This is cool.
One last stir, maybe.
Getting messy in the backyard.
Look, my one's getting huge bubbles.
Look at that. What if you go like that? It makes it come.
Look
Yeah.
how cool it is.
It's pretty cool, eh?
Is it
Really sticky on your hands?
Yeah, it's George's is
moment.
working really good.
because it doesn't stick too much. See?
See, as soon as it stops like making that mess, that's when it's like really good.
My one's not.
Apparently, I'm told. But
Look at George's, look. Look at hers. Georgia!
Did you guys hear?
Um,
Listening?
Can we have a hot
Come on.
chocolate?
Quickly help me.
I'm okay.
Wait, do that.
Thank you.
If they do white
Any hot
chocolates, can I
chocolate?
please have one? But if not, just normal hot
We got
chocolate.
the
It's fine.
I'm going to get chocolate.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, please.
Oh, careful, Jack. Just
It's everywhere.
You sure you don't want a dirty chai or a hot
By the way,
I'm
it's
alright.
good.
we made.
By the way, did you spend any money on this table?
No.
No, we can. It's okay. You can wash this down. It's alright. Because when you
These
put water, when you
bowls-
add water to this, that's why we're doing it outside. I'd rather you didn't get it on your clothes.
Yes, but like,
That would be
this
great.
is slime.
No, move away. Look, how come I'm legs spread?
Because when I was showing Jess, it did that.
Alright.
Look at George's.
Oh my god, yours is awesome! Show Jess. Jess, look at hers.
It's still really like.
It's full on.
Look, but it comes off nicely.
That's cool. Does that just mean you like got different amounts of things?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
Well, she started hers first, so I think it's just working. Look at that. Look, it's working.
Oh, that's so cool.
Love it so much.
I'm like getting easily satisfied right now.
Me too.
I used to
put
have a
finger in?
video with make slime.
See, and I just put my finger and it didn't. Look, it came out clean.
Cool.
And look, if I just scrape it off my hands, it comes off. It's going on the table so much. I'm losing like so much slime, guys.
Jack, I think yours doesn't need more shaving cream.
Yours needs more shaving cream,
Yeah.
Jack.
Let's get into it.
Okay, there we go.
I'm trying to get all of it.
Oh god, it looks like bubblegum.
Yeah, it does actually.
Come on, come together so we can mix together.
Wait, doesn't slime need water?
Hey?
Georgia's like,
Doesn't slime need water?
no.
I thought it did.
Some slimes can.
Well, I think my slime needs
Oh,
water.
it's going everywhere. By the way, guys, once my slime has formed, I'm going to be sticking it to the table so I can get all the stuff that comes off the table.
Georgia, try not to make a mess and keep it in the bowl.
You're so messy. Look at it.
Auntie's has,
Look, it's getting out, it's getting out.
Auntie's is so clean. Does yours come off your hands,
I've lost
Auntie?
so much
Yeah.
slime. I've lost so much
Oh
slime.
god, I'm trying to get it off.
Alright, I'm trying
My
to...
one's still sticking.
Look at that.
Keep staring.
Look at
Look at that, look at that, look
Look
at
at that,
that.
guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at mine.
Her head.
This is so much fun. Oh my goodness. I love slime.
You might need help, Jack, a bit.
Do you want a hand, Jack?
Once I've done
Yes, I need
shit,
hands.
Oh god.
Grab the box, Jordan.
Oh my god.
Slime.
Oh, you got some blue in there
Oh
now.
god. Okay, yours is going messy. You've got to keep it in the bowl, doll.
I'm trying.
Oh my gosh.
This is my first time. I've never known.
I know, Georgia.
slime.
Just put a bit in the bowl and then get your next part.
That is so funny.
Oh, Jax, I think yours might be coming.
Yours is forming.
Yeah, look.
Can you put a little bit more activator in mine? I'm not activator. I meant shaving cream. Shaving cream.
Oh my god.
Everyone, this is how.
Yeah, look.
Do you think I need more shaving?
Jax is. No, yours is working. Keep going. Here, I'll put a bit more.
Oh, feel that, baby.
Oh, baby,
Oh my god, it's starting not to stick, guys. And by the way, apparently I read or watched on the internet that if you add soap, it's not too sticky.
If you add soap.
I think so.
I'm
Well,
not going
I
to try
don't
that
want to
theory.
have anything so with mine.
Oh my god, look, it's actually starting to form.
It formed the wild.
Okay, how much shaving cream are you supposed to put?
Don't
I
know.
reckon.
I put
2.1
more, and
grams.
mine look quite.
Yeah, look. His is forming now. See the bubble? Do you know what some people do when they got really good slime? They make a huge bubble.
It doesn't say to put shaving cream in that.
No, you don't have to. It's just to make it fluffy. See, George's is fluffy slime. If you want to make it fluffy, you add... Oh,
Alright, my one's nearly ready.
keep it in the bowl.
I know, right? You got to keep kneading it. That's what it says.
Knead it like a dough.
Yeah.
It's like making a pizza. Just, I think it's a bit harder.
This is way harder. I know how to
Look.
make pizzas. And it ain't like this.
Oh, Georgia!
No.
Guys, I'm so bad.
Georgia!
Yours is gone.
Georgia!
Well, that's what happened.
Don't! Put it in the bowl!
the bricks, babe.
It won't. It'll come off. It'll wash off.
Georgia, put it in the bowl.
Trying to get the others up.
Just gotta stay over here. One place to clean.
Exactly. Look at the mess on the
Look,
floor.
Dad, he's got his OCD on. You know Dad's a clean freak. You're gonna give him a heart attack.
Don't want to lose the binder.
How do you think you guys are going?
I'm going alright, but
Look at
I need
mine.
more shaving cream
Look
in
at
there.
my slime.
She's only got that little tiny piece because she dropped all of that on the floor.
Yeah, she shouldn't have moved. Look, there's some here on the table.
I prefer factory made.
You shouldn't have moved, George.
Georgia, stop doing that. You gotta flick everywhere.
Now you've got to actually pick it all up. You've got to try and pick it all up.
And then once you're done, put it in like a seal bag or a
Oh
container.
my God, George! Really?
Look,
Help me get it off me.
How am I supposed to help you?
Jordan, get a paper towel.
No, not paper towel. You've got to have it wet. You've got to
Help me, please.
Oh my God. Over the bowl, please. Do not put it on the floor. I am getting really upset now. Because you've just been told, don't drag it around everywhere. How come I'm not dragging it around everywhere? Why? Because I'm sitting over my bowl.
Close because you don't want to.
No, it's the more you knead it. It's got to do with kneading. The more you play with it, the harder the consistency gets.
which is a good thing.
There we go. See?
Can you take the lid off? Jordan? Take the lid.
Out of it.
Uh-oh.
I'm like avoiding the friendship because,
Yeah.
like, gotta wait.
Yeah, there we go. Awesome.
It's gotta be clean. And I'll get the stuff off.
There we go. See, look at it. Now it's working heaps
Wait,
better
so
for
put
me.
Wait, put it down on the table. Put it down. Wait, put it down on the table. I need to clean my hands quickly. Stop it! There we go. Look clean as new. It's just a bit sticky. Yeah, Jack, yours is working. See, it'll come off. Rub your hands together.
More slime than me, by the way.
See?
Oh, my leg.
Oh, I feel so weird.
Georgia, try collect it. Put that on the table. Try get the stuff off.
It's gonna stick to the table if I don't keep kneading it.
Georgia, it's fine. It will come off the table though.
Yeah.
You guys, try not to step in it when it's on the floor because then
Yes.
you'll walk it everywhere.
Watch your feet just
Yeah, I
there.
am.
Yeah, good girl.
I looked. Don't worry.
Alright, maybe we should take our shoes off before we go inside.
None of my shoes.
I'm gonna hose these two down.
Yeah, Georgia.
Jack.
You got it in your hair.
Jax isn't forming.
Yeah, it is. Put your hand right in it.
You gotta grab it, yes.
See, look. Look, see?
Jack's like, I don't like this.
See, Auntie's is the best. Like, Georgia's is okay, but just like, you know, considering this happened.
Mine looks like ice cream right now.
No.
Yeah. Like a yogurt machine, sort of thing.
Yeah.
Frozen yogurt.
Yogurtland, yeah.
I think mine looks like.
So, 3 colouring we used was Queens.
I think
you
I
can
used
see.
I used all the colors.
Queens is the best free colouring, guys.
Oh, look, I'm actually just like, oh,
Oop, 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 ah.
Is that forming?
mine's forming really good.
Yeah.
Guys, what about if we combined ours?
Guys, if your parents don't like mess, don't
Do it
this.
outside
Or do it like in the street?
or in a tiled area.
Yeah. And don't do it where there's carpet, because that's just... Yeah.
That's just dumb.
Yeah, no, we've got it on carpet before. It's hard to get out. You can't get it out. It's impossible. This legging's got a hole in it.
Yeah. There's a couple of holes in them actually.
My precious hair.
They're women's 10, you know that?
Okay.
My hair is a pride possession. Mine's so sticky. I need something to...
Oh my god, Jack. Can you open your legs like that? Can you open them like move 1 foot away?
I was from before.
Okay.
I'm starting to
Yeah, hold
collect
on.
my slime again.
We're gonna send this to Mama.
Okay.
Totally missing out on the fun, Mama.
Look at that. Look
Well,
at that. Look at that.
wait, move your hands, Jack, for a second. No, wait.
How could you not want to do this?
Like, guys, try to convince your parents or someone to make you make this.
Shall we wrap it up?
Saving cream.
Saving cream.
Saving cream.
Saving cream.
Save my glue. Alright, go.
Slide.
Can you put some shaving cream in it? for me?
Yeah, sure.
Look at the hand.
Ready? Magic.
I think I need more activator so it stops sticking.
This actually feels really
I need
cool.
more
Yeah, it does.
activator so it
Like
stops
all the
sticking.
shaving cream,
I
like
need to get more
ah.
activator so it stops sticking.
I don't think so. I think the shaving cream
Spider
helps it
webs.
more because it's got soap in it.
Looks
it's
like
actually a soap.
spider webs. I'm Spider-Man.
It works like a soap.
Spider girl.
Spider girl then. Is there even a spider girl?
Look at that,
No.
guys. Look at that slam. I'm adding shaving cream. Oh.
I think the more shaving cream you put, I think it's probably the better.
Should we wrap this up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, see you guys. Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Make money. Bye.
No.